Hey guys, I'm excited to do an unboxing today of my new Bear electric hot pot. I actually bought this for my family for times when they're feeling lazy and just want to make a quick and easy meal without fussing with a stove or oven. First off, we have the user guide pamphlet that lists all the parts of this hot pot set, along with care instructions and usage instructions. And this piece looks like the lid. There's a knob in the center of the lid, and there are three little holes to allow steam to escape while cooking. And next we have the power cord. Then further inside, nestled in the foam, we have the main pot with the Bear logo inscribed in the front. This pot has a 1.6 liter capacity, perfect for cooking meals for one or two people. Also to note is that the inside has a ceramic non-stick glaze coating, which is great, so not only will your food not stick, but it will make it much easier to clean and wipe down. And on the handle is the power switch. This electric hot pot can power from 300 watts to 600 watts. On the bottom of the pot there are 4 rubber feet. And here's the steamer basket, which you can stack right on top of the hot pot. And let's make sure the lid fits as well. It can go on top of the steamer basket, and it can also be placed on top of the pot if you are not using the steamer. I'm really looking forward to using this Bear electric hot pot to make eggs, vegetables, and even saute some meat.